Myself Rani, Assistant Professor in Computer Science, C.R. Reddy College, Eluru. Today I am going to discuss the topic functions. What is function? Function is defined as a block of code that can perform specific task. Functions are defined as a block of code which can perform specific tasks. Okay, functions are mainly classified into two types. What are those? Predefined and user defined. Predefined and user defined. What are predefined function? What are predefined function means these are already known by the compiler, which is designed by the language. We don't need to write any code for the predefined functions. Those predefined functions are, some are examples of predefined functions are CLR, SCR, printf, scanf, etc. Okay, user defined function. What are user defined functions means these functions are designed by the user. These user defined functions are designed by the user. Whatever the functions user needs, that functions he simply follow some protocols of the function and he create his own functions. Examples, some addition, subtraction, etc. Okay, next, what is the use of function? What is the use means main advantage of the function is reusability. What is reusability? What is reusability means we are writing some code here, that function only we required another place in the same program. We need not to write another code here. That is the reusability. Reusability is the main advantage of the function. Okay, next one is debugging. Debugging is the another advantage of the function. What is debugging? Error checking. Error checking is the another advantage of the function. What is error checking? In complex programs, we are divided into smaller modules based on the functions. We can easily find out the error here. We are easily find out the error here by using the concept of functions. Let's see how we can use functions and how to implement reusability and all. First, I am writing header file #include stdio.h. Here stdio.h is the standard input output header file. Here some predefined functions are involved, or predefined functions are packaged in the stdio.h. What are those means? Printf, scanf, and I mean that printf IO input and output functions are involved in that stdio.h header file. Okay, next one is main. Each and every program must be contain main function. Why we are writing main function means execution starts from the main function, then only that's the purpose we are writing main function. Okay, main function. Next we have to declare the variables. What type of data we are required, what type of variables we are required. Then we have to mention here data type. What is the data means we are mention the data type. I am taking integer type of data, so I am taking int as the data type here. Next, I am doing sum of two numbers, so I required three variables, two variables for the values, and resultant value will be stored in the another variable. So I am taking three variables, a, b and sum. Okay, next one is we have to take the values of a and b. If we can take dynamically and statically. Okay, if we want to take dynamical way, then we have to take a and b values in printf statement. Okay, printf, enter a b values, scanf. We have to read here those whatever the values we are taking in the printf statement, we have to read those values in the scanf statement. Okay, we are taking what variables here? A and b variables. So we have to read those variables in the scanf statement. Percentage d and percentage d. Why we are taking percentage d means I am taking what type of data here? Integer type of data. So I am taking character constraint as percentage d. If I taking data as string type, then I have to take character constraint as percentage yes. So here I am taking integer type of data, so I want to take percentage d as the character constraints. Next, address of a and address of b. Next, we are taking a and b values, so we have to sum those values a plus b, and we have to print sum. Printf sum is sum. Here a plus b is a plus b total value will be or resultant value will be stored in the sum variable. So I am taking here sum, semicolon, get ch. This same program will write in another way also by using the user defined functions. Okay, thank you so much.